Hello friends, today I'm going to show you my project which is based on CRUD, that means create, retrieve, update and delete. So I have created a to-do list and I'm going to show you how it's working. So let me show you first. Let me run my project. So as you can see, this is my home page for my to-do list, and this is here I have used the nav bar so that you can see the task bar. This is just a heading, and you can see the title of my project is to-do list, and this is my home page. Actually, you can see the route is at I am at home page. So right now my route is localhost colon 8000. When I will go to the task underscore list sorry task list, so it will my route will automatically get changed. Okay, so this is welcome message and let's go to the task list. So here you can see this is my to-do list. Here you can add, you can give your name of your task. You can write something like suppose you want to cook, and then cooking will be your task heading. That means here you will mention the cook, and then you can describe that what you want to cook actually, and when you will go for your cooking, so you can mention over here. This is just for description, and whenever you will click on add, it will automatically get add. And also, this is not only about edit, delete, I mean, retrieve, delete, create, and update. It's not only about that. You can also mention that you have completed your task or not. That means you can see over here that I have a button which is for, I mean, this is the heading as should does. That means if you have completed your task, you can mention that you have completed, and if you didn't complete, then it will be normally look like that mark complete. Suppose you have completed, let me show you. Before that I want to add I want to add a task. Let me add a task. So suppose I'm going to add a task like as I'm working on crowd operation, so let's do something like that. I want to suppose I'm just writing to do. So I will write over here to do list. Okay, let me write this. Actually, I need to complete it. So this is my heading to do list. So I will write over here. I will create video on this project. Okay. So this is my task and I'm going to add. Whenever I will click on add, it will definitely go to this task list and you will see. Let me do it. So as you can see, I have created, and this is going to give a message task added successfully. And this is just for 3 seconds. And you can see I have successfully added my task into my task list. You can see I will create video. You can, and also a button came here. That means whenever I will complete my task, I can go and click on this task. So before that, let me add something else. Suppose I want to, I have already added my walk. So let's have dinner, or as I told you, cooking. So let's do it cooking. Okay, this is my task. Actually, I have it given wrong. Okay, so cooking is my task, suppose, and I will do it at night after 9 after 9 p.m. Okay. First, then I'm going to add it. So suppose I added, and you can see task added successfully. This will just come for 3 seconds. After that, it will be vanish. Okay, now you can see cooking. I will do it at night after 9 p.m. So this is about night. So I can I am not complete. I didn't complete it. But let me first delete a task over here. As you can see that we can add. So let's go for the edit part. So if I go, suppose I want to edit that one. Django. Let's practice Django at least for 3 hours. Okay, so I'm going to delete it. So what will happen when I will click on edit button? it will, the data will directly go to the, I mean, the task will go in the task input, I mean, input box, and the description that I have mentioned over, it will definitely, I mean, it will go to the description. Let me click on this. Okay, I'm going to click it. So as you can see, it is the form get automatically filled. This is a form now, because we are taking two inputs and we have a add button. So this is a form. We have used a form over here, and sorry, I have used a form over here, and you can see the button got changed. It initially it was add, but right now when I clicked on the edit button, it's get changed and it's update now. So suppose I want to update, I want to do it, instead of Django, I will write Ajax. So let's check whether it's going to update it or not. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that when I will click on this update, we will check that if it is, I mean, it's working or not. I mean, the data, the detail or the to do that I have given, it is going to update or not. And the second thing that we will notice, that is it on the same ID. That means I just click on this edit button and the data get automatically filled to the form. And now when I will click on update, it will in the same place or it will go down or at the last of the list. Let's check. I'm going to click on this button. Please clearly notice over here. Okay, uh, please notice over here and let me click here. As you can see that we got a message task updated successfully, and also the third one, then that means the line, actually it's not the third one, because I have added so many tasks and I have deleted, I have deleted and so many things I did, so it's definitely not the third one. But as you can see, this is my first, second, third, so I'm just telling you that this is the third and it got changed. So this is how my edit part is working. And now let's go for the delete part. Let's check it's working or not. If it's not, if it's working, then it's good. But if it is not working, then I have to do something. I will check what is the error. So before thinking anything else, let's check that delete part is working or not. Suppose I want to delete something that I have already created. So let's delete the walk part. It is also very necessary, but right now I'm just going to delete it. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it's giving me alert. Are you sure to delete this task? And if you click on the cancel, it will be cancelled and the task will not be deleted, not be deleted. So let me click on cancel. So okay, you can see again, my task has I mean, it's still present there, but let me click again, and I this time I will click OK. That means I want to delete it now. So let's do. So as you can see, task deleted successfully, and you cannot see here walk anymore. Okay, so we have already checked the add part, edit part, delete part. Now the time for complete. Suppose you have completed your task. Let me do this. So as I'm creating a video on this to-do list, but it will not be complete. I will complete the whole, I mean, for to explain the to-do list, I need to create so many videos. I mean, it's not easy to discuss all the things in one video. So I will create maybe two or three videos on it. But right now, this is the first video that I'm creating on this to-do list. So let's for the for right I mean right now we can complete as mark as complete. So just I'm just going to mark it as complete. So what happen if I click on this button? So let's check. Before that, yes, now it's good. No, actually one plus. Okay. So now it's cool. It was okay. So if I click on this mark complete, as you can see, when I'm just going on it, it's going to blank. So suppose I'm clicking on this, and this is, you can see that it's asking me, you are going to mark as completed. So if I click on cancel, then again there will be no change. But if I click on the OK button, then the magic will come. Let me show you. So as you can see, this mark, this I mean the status is now completed. Initially it was mark completed, and right now it's completed. And what if I do? If I again go to click on this button, so what will happen? Let me show you. If I click again on this status. I mean, this is already completed. So let me do this. So as you can see, you have already completed this task. This is giving me the uh, alert message. So I will go on, click on OK. So this is how my to-do list is working. In the next video, I will discuss that how we can add the detail, I mean add the task description over here, and how it's because we are getting the data from the front end and storing in the back end in the database. So this is a very interesting topic, so I will discuss it in the next video. Thank you very much. Stay happy and healthy, and please keep practice it. This is a very interesting topic actually. Thank you.